Hey, I just got a new job and I need to open a new bank account. What should I do?
That's great news. You should go to one of the ALPS bank branches. First, you'll have to get in line and see a bank teller.
What should I tell the bank teller?
Just tell them that you need to open a bank account. You'll probably need a checking account to start with. And they might ask you if you want to open a savings account too.
Oh, okay. Do I need to bring anything with me?
Yes, you need to bring your valid identification. It can be either your passport or a valid ID card. Make sure it's up to date.
I got it. Thanks for the help. I'll go to ALPS Bank and talk to them about opening an account.
Good morning. What can I help you with?
Good morning. I'd like to open a new bank account.
May I ask why you're looking to open an account?
I just got a job, and I need an account to manage my money.
That's wonderful. Do you need just a checking account? Or would you like to open a savings account as well?
What's the difference between the two?
A checking account is used for daily transactions like receiving your paycheck, paying bills, or shopping. A savings account is where you can put money aside that you don't need immediately, and it usually earns some interest over time.
I see. I think I'll need both then.
Great choice. Could you please give me your valid ID?
Sure, here is my passport.
Thank you. You need to fill out this form and bring it back to me.
Sure thing. I'm sorry to interrupt, but it's asking my maiden name. What does that mean?
That is the original surname of a woman who adopts her husband's surname after marriage.
Thank you for the explanation. It's clear now. Here's the completed form.
Thank you. To open these accounts, you need to deposit a minimum of $50 in each account. How much do you want to deposit in each account?
I want to deposit $250 in each account.
Perfect. Your bank card application is now complete. It will be sent to you by post. Along with your bank card, you'll receive a PIN. You'll need this PIN for buying things, depositing money, and withdrawing money.
I'm wondering if you could provide more information about the PIN.
PIN stands for Personal Identification Number and is your secret number that is unique to you to access your account.
How will I use the PIN to access my account?
I'll show you how to use the bank machine to deposit and withdraw money shortly. Do you have any other questions about the process so far?
Yes. What happens if I withdraw more money than what's in my account?
That's called an overdraft. If you go into an overdraft, you'll be charged an interest rate of 5% on the overdrawn amount.
What are your banking fees and charges?
There is an annual bank charge of $16. Withdrawals and deposits at our bank machines are free. But if you use another bank's ATM, there will be a charge of about $2 per transaction.
That sounds good. Can you show me how to use the bank machine now?
Of course. Let's go over to the machine, and I'll walk you through how to make a deposit and a withdrawal. First, you have to insert your card right here into this slot. Next, you'll need to select your preferred language on the screen. Now, you can enter your PIN and press Enter. Now, you'll see several transaction options. Besides withdrawals and deposits, you can also transfer money to others or access additional services, such as changing your PIN by selecting Other Services. I'm going to show you now how to withdraw money. Select Withdrawal Money. Here on the screen, you can choose from preset amounts like $10, $20, $30, $40, or $50. If you need a different amount, just click Other. Now you can enter the amount you want to withdraw manually. Let's say you want to withdraw $100. Then select Enter. Now the machine is asking us to confirm if we want to continue with the withdrawal. Of course, we will select Yes. Then, press the Enter key to confirm the finalization of the withdrawal. The machine will then dispense your cash. Please ensure that you take your card and money from the machine after the withdrawal. I would also like to remind you that our bank imposes a $1,000 withdrawal limit, meaning you cannot withdraw more than $1,000 in cash within any 24-hour period. You can also deposit up to $1,000 using this machine. Just select Deposit Money. Insert your cash or checks into the deposit slot when prompted and follow the on-screen instructions.
Thank you very much for explaining how to use the bank machine. It was really informative.
Pleased to help. It's our priority to ensure that our customers are satisfied with our services. Do you have any further questions?
Yes. You mentioned earlier that the bank has a $1,000 withdrawal limit. What should I do if I need to withdraw more than that?
If you need more than that, you can make a withdrawal directly from the bank counter. We can help you with larger amounts inside.
Excellent. And what is the maximum deposit allowed per day using the cash machine?
You can deposit up to $1,000 using this machine. For deposits over $1,000, please use the bank counter.
That sounds really convenient. I can't thank you enough.
You're welcome. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to ask. Enjoy using your new banking services. Have a nice day.
Thank you. You too. Hey, I'm thinking about going on a vacation to Italy soon. Do you know if I can just use my normal bank card over there to buy things?
Actually, for traveling abroad, especially to Italy, it's better to have a credit card like MasterCard or Visa. They're more widely accepted and really convenient for international purchases.
Really? I didn't know that. Where can I get one of those credit cards?
Just go to your bank and ask for a credit card. They will explain all the different options available and help you select one that meets your needs.
Oh, that's great. I appreciate the info.
Hello again. How may I assist you today?
Hello. I'm interested in getting a credit card this time.
Could you please give me your bank card so I can pull up your account details?
Sure, here you go.
Thank you. What credit limit would you like to have on your credit card?
What exactly is the credit limit?
A credit limit is the maximum amount of money you're allowed to borrow on your credit card.
I see. I think a $3,000 limit would work for me.
Okay, I will set up your credit card with a $3,000 limit. Just to note, unlike a debit card, which only allows you to use the funds you have deposited, a credit card gives you a line of credit that you can use and repay later.
That sounds good to me.
Your application will be processed, and your credit card will be sent to you within 1 week. You will receive your PIN separately 1 week after you receive your card.
Your support means the world to me.
Is there anything else I can assist you with today?
That's all I need for today. Thanks again.
My pleasure. Have a great day. Hello, how may I be of service to you?
Hello. I'd like to deposit $5,000 into my account, please.
Certainly. May I have your bank card and ID to start the process?
Here they are.
Thank you. Please fill out this cash deposit slip and return it to me once you're done.
Here's the completed form.
Thank you. Could you please hand me the money so I can verify the amount?
Of course, here, please.
Perfect. Everything looks good. I've processed the deposit, and the funds should be available in your account within an hour. Here's your receipt. Please keep this paying-in slip for your records.
Sure thing. Thank you for your assistance.
You're very welcome. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
No, that'll be all. Thanks again.
My pleasure. Have a wonderful day.